joke. Think so, huh? Then tell me, how did they know that I've got an airplane in my barn?
I don't trust this guy, Japo.
Look, Frank, that's the second time you called me Japo.
Hey, look, all right? I know. I'm sorry. I apologize. It fits you.
Just another frustrated observer.
Hey, I've had 6, maybe 7 observers. You're my favorite. That's why you're behind me wearing the Blue Thunder uniform, all right?
I know that, Frank, and I appreciate it, honestly, but Japo to me just sounds like some alien in some science fiction 50s movie. It's like, I am Japo, calling from planet Crington to vaporize Captain Frank Chan.
Oh, hold on. We're gonna have to put this conversation on hold. I think we just found what we're looking for. Hang on!
Here he comes again, right at us.
Oh, hang on! Hang on!
What the heck is that guy firing?
I don't know. Bearcats are usually equipped with 20mm cannons. This guy's added extra firepower. Oh my god, those are ARX-80s! They'll blow anything out of the sky!
I hate to ask you this now, but Turbo usually uses our reserve fuel. We're about empty now.
Oh, shit. Terrific. Okay, Rolling Thunder. Cheney to Rolling Thunder.
Cheney to Rolling Thunder. Are you there? Steve.
We're here, Frank. What's that? We're on our way. Hit it, Steve.